Good morning and welcome back to another day. This is a slightly different start to the video, but this at the minute is the office slash dumping area. On top of it there were a load of parts and what have you, and there is this area out here, and this is all coming down. We're trying just to tidy all this lot up because there is going to be an actual proper office built by here, and we just need to clear all this scrap out because there's a lot of stuff here that's not needed. Sorry, Dave. So this is how we're looking now. There's going to be a wall built from here, just in front of this, all the way across. And then this is all going to be proper officified. And then that bit in there is going to be done properly, and that'll be like a waiting area. And then that here is going to be a proper office. High top's now working. This is all now done and back on the road. She is a very good little workhorse, and which I will show you later on, went and picked up a new toy. Anyway, enough on that. I'll show you that a bit better. I'm going to put the camera somewhere and you can watch this lot get emptied and sorted. Well, I'm not entirely sure how much the video actually showed because obviously it was on a time lapse, but that is completely gone. No more walls.
Room for a beetle.
Perfect amount of room for a beetle. That's a lot more space. Quite mad how much this opens up.
It looks better.
Well, it's way better. So that's how our morning's been spent. And now the back of the high top's half full. It's looking a lot more betterer. Lot more betterer. Looks mad not seeing that wall there. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some food because we're hungry. Just want to jump into this part of the video and just really quickly say, if you guys are interested in getting anything done on your vans, whether it's something as simple as a service or a few little bits and bobs done for an MOT, ball joints, all the way through to a full engine change, engine conversion, welding, and anything and everything else T4 related in between, jump over to Facebook. The link will be down in the description below. I think it's like the second link, and go over and have a little word with them and get yourselves booked in. So if you are interested, hop over there, have a word. Anyway, back to the video. Well, I have absolutely no idea how long it's been since the last one, but as you can hear, many things going on. John's down there doing some ball joints, and Guy is timing up this one. Everyone's nice and busy, and I am tidying all this lot up because this area needs to be a bit more free. So the engine that was on there is just waiting. This engine needs to be moved. It's probably going to end up getting stripped and scrapped. I don't think it's any good. That underneath all there is actually my engine. So that needs to come out and be moved. There's obviously my front panel, my subframe, random wheel. It's just a bunch of stuff that needs to be moved, and I've took it upon myself to move it. So I've made a little bit of room out here, because now it's nice and dry. I'm going to stack it all up by here just so it's out of the way. And at least that area is a bit more free, just in case something does so happen to live there for a little while. It's also mad how open this is. Hopefully I filmed the beginning bit, but this is mad how free this is. So much room here. But yeah, I'm going to crack on and get this lot done because it would be nice just to have this bit. There's a bit more space. You can see there's a couple of doors there. That's what's going to be going. You come in into the reception area, there's a door that comes out, there'll be a door in and out of the office, and then obviously this bit here, these are the gutters for the roof. It'll go up in between here, and there's the fascias. What are we doing, John?
Fitting some Sheen's blades. Ta-da!
And if you know about the Shane's plates, you do have to screw a, no you don't, you have to drill a hole up here because it's got the mounting up there. Already done. So as you've seen, this is getting closer and closer to being done. This, I don't think has got much more left to do. And then this, don't fall in the pit. This will pretty much be done. I'm going to crack on with cleaning this lot up. Make this corner clean, so pick a camera up, talk to Nemo. Once this looks a bit more tidier. So John, how are you today?
Brilliant, thank you, sir.
So what are we doing, John?
New TV game there. New track on it.
Oh, nice.
Some new brake plates. Obviously we've drilled a hole up here for the Shane's plates. New ball joint.
New lower ball joint down there.
And a fifth gear.
And then yeah, this is the one for the 5th gear conversion.
We're going to kick it up a gear.
Literally. And as you've probably seen, I've cleared most of this lot out now. There's my hubs, my drive shafts, my subframe, they're my wheels. In fact, if anybody wants to buy these wheels, they're those Mercedes wheels that are on my old van. If anyone is interested in buying them, I think there's one tyre that needs to be replaced. The rest of them, I think, maybe 2. But they're not terrible. If you fancy buying them, please let me know, because I have absolutely no need for them anymore. Completely forgot I owned them actually until we dug them out. There's my front cross member. My exhaust is right back there, up against the wall. And then obviously, as you've seen, we have we put the engines in here, we put the bits of the roof on here. So that is mostly clear now, which is nice. Under tray, that goes on this van. There's another under tray goes on that van. Obviously the roof. And then this is pretty much clean. I know it's a bit wet, but ignore that. Happy days, at least that lot's all clear now, and it's not just a dumping ground for everything. So as you've seen earlier on, there is a parts washer here now. It was turned on earlier, it's all unplugged now, it don't need to be on. This thing is fantastic, it heats up the solution. And obviously you put that, not obviously, but for the solution. In fact, you can still see, it's still steaming a bit. This thing's been off for hours. This thing is amazing, really good. It's going to make cleaning all parts a lot easier. We did test it on this, still a little bit, but we haven't got the right solution for it at the minute. This, amazing bit of kit. So all in all, quite a lot done. Managed to get quite a lot done. Like I said, This is all completely empty. This is now organised a bit better. That's now empty. This span is pretty much done. That's not far from being done. All in all, not too bad. Also, something I did forget to mention earlier on, I do have a giveaway that I'm thinking of doing. If you're not too sure what this is a cruise control unit. Hang on. There it is. The switch and the on off for the power. This, you probably have seen, I have done a video on this. I did actually get gifted this one and another one, and I kind of fancy doing a bit of a giveaway on it. So if you're interested, please let me know. Try and figure out doing some sort of way of a giveaway on this, but if you are interested, let me know. But I'm just going to finish off tidying up our last little bit and also making a nice cup of tea. I'm going to finish getting this lot done, see what I'm at. Well, there's that all done. As you've seen, everything was getting finalised. There's a little bit of wiring that needs to be finalised on that because for some reason it needs doing. And this is now all nice and clear. Just the trailer, but that's easily moved. And the bay. Old trusty. But that's pretty much everything for that episode. We're going to get ourselves gone. As you can see, the lights are out. John's finishing off his cup of tea. But we're going to get ourselves gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with all of us. And as always, take it easy.